Why does your scanner show the P0152 engine code? What does it mean? P0152 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit high voltage bank 2 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM is detecting a voltage reading that is too high from the oxygen sensor located on the exhaust manifold upstream of the catalytic converter on the bank 2 side of the engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring and connector issues, rich running condition, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.